Some of you are trying to prompt Claude Code to build skills that are similar to the ones I'm showing and getting what we call refusals in AI. So in order to work in cybersecurity, you will want to, at least in Claude, you will want to do CSV program. So Claude CSV program. It's CSV or CVS? Claude, what is like the CVP? Sorry, that's what I meant. I meant CVP. Thank you. Okay, so Claude has a form and a program that's called the Cyber Verification Program. And so you can click here on this link. You can just Google Claude CVP and you can apply to this. And when you apply to Claude CVP, make sure you're holistic about telling them what you're going to use Claude for in cybersecurity. So when I did this program, I told them I would be using it for vulnerability research, red teaming, bug bounty hunting, and I went in depth into what I was doing in each, and that I was an authorized tester of my own company. Flare could say, hey, we're researchers at Flare. Even if you're an individual, you can apply to the CV program. You don't have to be part of an organization necessarily. You just tell them, hey, I'm an independent security researcher. And then they're going to ask you for your social profiles. They're going to ask you for your LinkedIn. They're going to ask you for some identifying data that they validate just to show that you're a good person and you're doing good faith security research. But many of my bug bounty friends who use Claude for bug bounty stuff, they don't belong to any organization. They just provide their information. They've gotten approved. So you basically, you can get approved for this even without being employed by someplace as a blue teamer or a red teamer. My first application took a week and a half. And then once that happens, you will see less refusals. Now, it doesn't mean you won't see any refusals because there are just some things that the model guardrails have been specifically tuned around not touching. And one of them is, since we're doing a Flare webinar today, is credentials. Anytime you're working with leaked credentials, the model will refuse you even if you're in that program. And so that is one thing that we'll warn you about. The way we get around here at Arcanum is if there's a workflow that we see that the agent is refusing to do. Like once you get in the CVP, you'll be able to use all these skills and build all these skills.